No, well, we can't bring up this, brother.
Yeah.
No, we can't bring up this, dog.
Wait, I got it.
Welcome on everybody. We're there again on another magnet fishing. So today, we're there at this bridge over there in Portmore. It's the bridge over there, sir. Oh, it's the Claud, yes, sir. You don't know.
There.
So we're there at Port Endless Bridge, aka Back Road. And Claud there, so I take a picture for Tavii. Tavii there over here, sir. So yeah, I get started. This I can't bother with now.
Nothing, no.
Yeah. Claud, let me know if my boat are coming here. Yeah. Claud, come on fine. What do you know what this? Piece of stone.
Stick?
I don't know what this.
Sure. What that you find? Oh, why that stone is so sticky?
I don't know.
Why stick to the magnet?
Because magnet made out of stone, you know.
Yeah?
Not every stone though, some stone. You can't pull it so hard.
I feel like I make it come off now. Oh, a piece of board you find.
Board?
Like an iron or something.
Yeah. Yeah, piece of iron. Claud!
Why you make that touch me now, bro?
Some fine piece of iron. You have to look, see if I find nothing. Yeah, I have something for you. But don't have something. Watch the road. Don't step out in the road, my youth. Don't step out in the road. You don't want the people to swear about this stuff. Go around here. Hold it up and show me, no? Watch the road, my youth. You find. Why, I don't know what this is.
What that?
I don't know what is this.
Why am I just have a feeling saying nothing not there over here now?
Something there, man.
Let me get one more show.
This is how I find, dog.
$1.
$1.
Hold on, something there, so. Yeah. $1, it's heavy, dog. And what is dog? Come feel it. Don't pull it too hard. You feel it?
Yeah.
Don't pull it too hard, dog. Hold on, dog. You have anything
Don't pull it hard, may I take time.
Hold on, man. You have anything gone at the bridge.
May I take time.
Hold on there. Hold on, dog.
Hold on, Claud. I want a heavy, you know. Claud, look here.
Claud, I want a heavy Claud.
I want a heavy.
I want a heavy man.
No, hold on. Wrap your hand around it, so.
Oh, God.
Wrap your hand around it and bring it. No, it's not.
No, it come up.
Bombard.
Oh, what that? A bicycle you find that. No, you find bicycle charging.
A bike train.
What? No, well, we can't bring up this, brother.
Yeah.
No, we can't bring up this, dog. Hold on.
Hold on. Yeah. You have to bring it up. I don't make it jump in the dog. Hold on. Put your money point now. Put your money point, dog. Put your money point it. Yeah.
Wait, I got it.
Boom!
fuck! Hey!
No way. How this you find?
What
I
bike
do.
frame, dog? Lift over.
Come hold it out, sir. Oi! Ah!
Yeah.
Noel.
Bad
I
fight.
take off the magnet here now.
Well, I'm gonna get something before too.
Yeah. So I know I'm fine, but I might find to come my magnet stuck by the time to carry it up to, so I might find to. I don't find. But sick. It's a bike frame. Come on, take the. Come get
You ready to tie that?
Mad.
Can try. Oh. What? No? What else?
This is the finest how I got from off of my magnet. Spark plug.
Yeah. Eh?
Come in with the camera. Come in with the camera.
Hold on.
Right, chain. Come in with the camera, Chiaji. Come in with the camera, Chiaji. Come in with the camera, Chiaji. Don't take that. Come with the camera, Chiaji. Now. What's that?
Could the man fight star?
You did.
So how it stuck to something stuck, it stuck to?
Tavii throw that still. Tavii throw that.
Bully, you know.
Yeah.
Bully, you know.
Scrap metal, let me go. Scrap metal.
Down there, soon, down there now.
My time to throw again.
Find one more piece of iron.
Huh? What's up? Yeah, well, when we reach home, yeah.
So anything with metallic, can iron, yeah. Right now, I have something now.
Really heavy with that go.
Two we have to hook onto it and pull it up. Yeah. Claud, you don't hit the jackpot, Claud.
Yeah?
You don't hit the jackpot. Claud. It smells stink.
What that you find?
Claud. I don't know.
How about this? Bombas! How about that? Charlie, you know what? Ever since you get the new camera, the new magnet in a charge, I like how you're going on the magnets.
Yo.
You find something again?
It feel like something behind you.
So, is a case where you know if you throw the thing them charge you or you just throw it?
But that's true.
Can you come like say every minute you throw something? What that you find? Like an antenna. Look like an antenna.
Look like it's a spear. One spear. Look like a spear. But I used to shoot fish.
Nah, man, I lie.
What more? This a fine dog?
Nah, man, I lie. Let me change it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we find the bike, frame. Now we find the bike,
Chain.
chain.
And what is? The pedal. And the pedal is. Oh, nice throwing spot this and you can throw from here, sir.
Yeah, so I throw from man. Because the bridge is came with the big heavy magnet.
Yeah.
So chain, pedal,
Oi.
all around us. So.
Piece my chain.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mad thing.
Go on, do your thing. I say you find something.
Find something charging.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm a jackpot. Oh, that's why you're a jackpot.
Alright. Alright. Wait till the money pass. Something there so it now move. You come off.
No, he did it funny today.
Alright, take time and bring it in. Just walk it in slow.
Creep it in slow.
Alright, hold on. Something to find now.
Oh, that bicycle something, you know?
Yeah.
And that would you have all time?
No, I'm not the bicycle frame so heavy. So strong a while ago.
Yeah. That's clear. What we done, we can build a bicycle in Nigeria, dog.
No.
I'll be a bicycle. Yeah, I'll be a bicycle.
Yo, a whole heap of things to find already so far. Alright now, Tavii over there, sir. Him over here, sir, and him find him have the magnet latch onto something now, but it now come up with too heavy. But yo, a whole heap of things to find. We find bicycle frame. No, we find bike frame, we find chain, we find bicycle frame, and some other bits of iron.
Yo, watch out. Show them what I go and charge it. Today I'm lucky day now.
Watch out, we find a gear, bicycle gear. The 2-piece them.
2-piece.
Oh, that's a loaded man.
Fully loaded, fully loaded. No.
Oh yeah, the catch fish?
Yeah.
Alright, mad thing.
No.
One big puffer fish over there, sir.
Yeah, but this one big puffer, snapper, will get straight.
Oh, snapper, alright.
Yeah.
Yo, my lucky day, didn't me?
Yeah.
Now we'll start off going like him a bad man. But watch out now. Watch out now. Can't talk to me, youth. Them man. Yeah. Tell me to bright up the picture a little more, you know.
Aye, let her come out of this, you know.
Aisle?
Yeah. Import the picture already?
Yeah.
Mine could have wait.
No aisle.
The aisle must come out of it,
I
man.
want filter, bruv.
So now, what got you filter? The aisle? Oi! Now, can you eat that?
Oh,
How about that now, eh?
oh that. Another vacuum thing them.
No?
Something come like car.
Yeah. Can I see something come out of the car, man?
No, this two truck.
Truck? Mad.
Well, first I pull up bucket tire. Me have something. Yo, you have to take a far throw. Just take a far throw. Something out there. You want them to stop here so then come back and next time.
Be a boat, me I find that.
Oh,
My youth. I'm tired.
yeah man, I eat that for the day.
I'm tired, I know everybody. I'm tired and the battery I go dead too.
Alright everybody, so may I wrap the video so the battery about for dead and Claud tired.
I'm exhausted, I can't do that, man. I'm tired, paper, I'm tired.
So that's a wrap for today. I definitely have to go come back here so another time to try to find something, because more things there.
Yeah, man, we'll get some epic find, everybody. Some epic find. Show them what one now bucket work.
Hold on.
So, you don't know Rogue Magnetics.
If you want your own magnet just like this, cheap money you can buy one for. Under $100. Link in bio. And I put the code, use my code, forget 15% off. The code are there right up on the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just leave out the things I'm gonna find, so see them here.
No.
Oh. So these are the best. Hold on, come back.
Yeah.
This are the best find of the day. A bike frame. An entire bike frame. Oi! I want to find a filter. I don't know what kind of filter is this, but it's a filter. A chain. 2 bicycle gear. Some piece of iron bar. Some bolts. A chain. What else? Oh, I will find a spear. This is a spear. What it means to shoot fish.
Oh yeah, now show them the bicycle angle.
Oh yeah. And to find a bicycle angle. And this big piece of iron. I don't know what them use this to, but
yeah. We have a whole thing for rebuild a entire bike or bicycle. We have chain, we have handle, that crank, this, that frame, filter. But yeah, right, that's all I got in the video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. See you lots on another episode. Like, share, and subscribe! Peace, everybody.